In this video, we will replace an existing L1000 with a new Aero Revolution touchscreen lock. The first step in removing your L1000 from the door is to depress the lever catch and remove the lever. Next, loosen the spanner nut, which is threaded onto the chassis at the bottom of the escutcheon. Then, unthread the upper cylinder retainer then remove the inside escutcheon. There are two screws that go through the inside escutcheon to the outside escutcheon. Then remove the entire inside assembly and separate the outside assembly. Next, we'll remove the old latch. Two of the crossbore holes with your existing door prep will be used in the installation of the Revolution. We will need to drill two additional through holes for through bolts and two alignment holes. To do this, we'll take the template which is supplied with the Aero Revolution, align the horizontal line with the center of your main crossbore, and align the dotted edge with the leading edge of the door. We will use a 5/16 inch drill bit and drill 4 places, 2 for through bolts and 2 for alignment pins. When drilling, verify that the drill is held horizontal and at 90 degrees to the door. Next, we will install the latch for the Revolution using the 2 supplied wood screws. We'll now take the outside escutcheon and insert it into the door, lining up the through bolts with the holes that we've just drilled, and also the alignment pins with the alignment holes we just drilled. Be careful when inserting the assembly to make sure that the wire assemblies do not get pinched. Verify that the latch is seated properly into the lock body, and then insert the inside rose assembly, passing the motor wire through the rectangular cutout in the rose. Insert the 2 through bolts and tighten securely. Take the inside escutcheon. There's a switch to put the unit into easy mode or advanced mode, a connector for the touchpad, and a connector for the motor. Bend the touchpad wire assembly into a Z-fold and tuck it into the crossbore hole. Then attach the inside escutcheon with the provided machine screw. Now attach the inside lever, depressing the lever retainer and pushing in on the lever until it snaps in. Test the lever to make sure there's no binding. We'll now install the 4 AA batteries to provide power to the Revolution and install the battery cover. There are 2 small holes which are visible from the existing L1000 prep. Those will be covered up using the Revolution L1000 adapter plates. Hold the plate up to the door and mark the 2 holes. We'll drill pilot holes with a 1/16 inch drill bit. Then attach the cover plate using the supplied wood screws. We'll then go to the outside of the door and repeat the process. That completes the installation of our Aero Revolution. Thank you for taking time to view this video. If you need any additional assistance, please feel free to contact Aero Technical Support.